All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So, a company like Xiaomi has so much to offer people in the US, and it's sad that they're not officially here. Now, they're for whatever reason they're not officially here. That's the government. But they would be a direct competitor for tons of companies because, well, all of the companies in the US, I'll say, because they have a phone in every category just about. But this lineup right here is their powerhouse lineup. Like the Galaxy S line, the Redmi line is definitely the powerhouse, money-saving, pocket-friendly, bang-em-up phones that can pretty much run with the best of them. That has better features than some other phones or hardware, and performs better than some other phones that cost 3 to 4 times the cost. So I'll say this: all of these phones cost less than $400, man, and that is the sad part. So, it's sad, not in a bad way. It's sad because these phones perform better than some of the phones that you guys have in your current lineup. They perform better. So if you're wondering what themes I'm using, this is Blue Dot NY, and this is Red Dot NY. Just their electric themes. That's all. That's why they look that way. Electrifying. But all of these phones have some things in common, 2 things in common for sure, and that's the internals. The Snapdragon 625, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs onboard storage. That's hot. 200, 200, 200, 300. This is the Mammoth here. This is the Mi Max 2. At one point, you can get this for like less than 300, 279, something like that. But I think it's about 300 right now. And these are all, you can get this one. This is a Redmi Note 4X. You can get this one for under 150 probably right now, or at least under 160. These are both 200 right here. This one jumped from, it's about 200 to 260 depending on the color that you get and the model, and I'll have a link in the description to that. But this one right here has really grown on me, so I kind of want to do a mini review on Xiaomi phones. The Mi A1 offers stock Android. It's a Google device, so you're getting, well, let me just show you. This is on the latest Android version here. System. It's on 8.0. So while not the latest, but it's on 8.0. It's on Oreo, and some of our flagship phones are not on Oreo. They all have the stable ROM. 9.2 is on these 2 right here. This one actually has the latest ROM, which is 9.54. That is the latest version, 954 stable ROM for this model, and these have 9.2. So Xiaomi, if they were to make an impact in the US, they could definitely blow a lot of companies away. It shouldn't be a problem for them because these products are better than over half of the phones that are being offered in the US at the same price or higher. Yeah, it has a Snapdragon 625, but 4,000 milliamp hour battery, 5,000 milliamp hour battery, 4,000 milliamp hour battery, 3,000 milliamp hour battery, and they perform better than my flagships. Even this one right here has killer battery. It's killer battery in here. And it's just a lot to love about these phones. Another thing these all have in common is great cameras. Great front cameras on some of these, man. You got the telephoto lens on this one. This one has a great rear camera. This phone right here has fantastic cameras, front and rear. I've actually used the front camera on this one for a vlog before, and people were like, whoa. I even did it I did a review of something. I think it was the Galaxy S9 or something like that. I used the front camera to talk about it, and with no microphone, they were like, whoa, that's the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. Yep. Xiaomi can make a serious gut punch to OEMs in the US if they go ahead and make it official and just come on over here, man. What are you waiting for? Just bring it. You're going to succeed. Put LTE bands in the US on all your phones, And it's a win-win. There's no way you can lose. Market it right and you are all set. These phones right here, like you think about a big phone like this, talk about media consumption. This is a powerhouse right here. Let's see. I think it's powered on. Yeah. This is a powerhouse. This is a powerhouse phone. Got the same red skin on there. 6.44 inch display, $300. I can't beat that. This is an 18:9 ratio. This is a 5.5. This is 5.5. These are all 16:9 ratio. This is one of the latest offerings that they have at 18:9 ratio. This is a powerhouse phone, man. I mean, I made this video just to let you know that Xiaomi makes great phones, and you're missing out if you're not buying them and you live in the US. You know, don't get caught up in the hype of just everything that comes out in the US. If it's $900, it's premium. This phone right here is premium and definitely competes against some of the flagships. As a matter of fact, there's a video that's going to come out. Guys, it might already be out depending on when you're watching this, where this phone goes up against the Galaxy S9 and I do a straight comparison. You know, you tell me what you think. So, anyway, Xiaomi phones banging. They need to come to the US officially. Bring the thunder. You can take down a lot of OEMs if you do it right. It's your man Jay Will. I will see you guys in the next video. Do you have any of these phones on the table here? Let me know in the comments. It's your man Jay Will. I'm out.